Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I am going to share, I actually have 3 of these Sephora favorite items. They're all by top brands. And I'm not sure how many I'm going to share today. I'm going to start with this one. This is a Sephora Favorites, the Glow Up Kit. And so let's just see what's in here and let's get started. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leave me a comment. I appreciate those things so much. And so anyway, let's get to this kit. Now, I just filmed, and I'm probably going to be putting this up. It'll be up before, so you can go back and watch my Sephora haul. I did a huge haul. I had 3 kits like this, plus several other items, like quite a few from Huda Beauty, natashadenona. Anyway, so go check out that video. And this one, I'm just going to share each individual item that's in here and kind of review it. Now, this is the Glow Up Kit, and I actually got this one at Kohl's. So I didn't see this when I ordered at Sephora. I just got the other 2. They have one other one too, but it's sold out. So I actually really wanted the other one too. So just to try them all out. I like them because they have 3 full size, which kind of pays for the price of the whole purchase, and then they have several trials or samples. So anyway, let's get into it here. See what we got in here. Okay, can get it open here. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is one of my all-time favorite products, and it's another reason why I liked this, because I tend to buy this product a lot. This is the Benefit Brow Setter. I actually don't buy it a lot because even the small one, and I still have, I think I'm using a small one right now, and I think I have a big full one, and then this will be another backup. So even the small one lasts forever, but I love this. It has a little comb on it, and it's just, the gel is just, I don't know, it's just, you just use this on your eyes. I can testify that this is a great product. So if you're interested, there's that, or you can get this little kit at Kohl's. So anyway, that's the first item. The next item is just a sample from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Drops. I've used these. I like them. Sometimes I'll take these on vacation since it's so small. So there's that. And the next thing we have in here is from Summer Fridays. And I don't know why. Grown Alchemist does this too. And I don't like these metal. They bug me because they get, I don't know, they get dented and stuff. They kind of bug me. But anyway, it's in like a metal container. And this is Jet Lag Mask. Interesting. So it's a mask for travel. It says jet lag. That's all it says about it right here. So anyway, curious about that. Could try that. See if it wakes up your face a little bit. Then another, while we're on skincare, we got something from Tasha. This, I hear great things about this product. This is a dewy skin cream. Not a bad size. There's quite a bit in there. It's kind of a light, it's kind of a lavender cream. I like that. This is even something you could put maybe even in your purse and just have it if you want it. But so the next thing I have in here is a Milk Blush Stick. Now I have the Milk Blush. Not a huge fan, my first impression, but anyway, I'll give the blush a try. It's kind of a darker, can't really tell in here the light, but it looks kind of darker. And see, this what happened with my bronzer. It sticks in the lid. And my bronzer was full. The lid was full. But anyway, So, and then it just goes up. Okay. The bronzer does not smell good, and I was wondering if this was the same, but it's not bad. So, pretty. It's a really pretty brush. I'm actually excited to try this, to use this. So, anyway, and sometimes these small things like this, they last a long time. So, anyway, there's that. Okay, so the next thing I have pulling out looks from Tarte, the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump, the shade Tulip. I love Tarte. It's one of my favorite brands. I'm not huge of this product, but this looks like a good color too. I'm going to try this right here. Okay, I do it right under the blush. Looks a little bit, I don't know. It's having a hard time going. I have a vein that's sticking out. It's having a hard time going over that. But anyway, so it's a decent color. So anyway, there's that. I probably shouldn't have used it because that's something I could give away since I have a few of them. The next thing I have in here is, let's see, Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Warm Brown. So once again, Huda Beauty, I'm a huge fan of Huda Beauty right now. Oh, I like that color too. That's a good color. So for like a real neutral type look. Then there's a Rare Beauty Positive Light Liquid Luminizer in Outshine. I have a couple of these, so I'm probably gonna throw that in a giveaway, but this is great product. Love Glow Recipe, and their the blushes and the highlighters are great. The last thing I have in here is from Clinique. It's a high mascara in shade Black. Once again, it's a sample. I don't always like these sizes, but it's Clinique. I'm sure it's a great product. If it's sealed, no, it's not sealed. So I'll take a look at the brush. We'll look at the brush. Okay, so there, it looks like a good brush. So anyway, it looks like a decent mascara. So, once again, travel size or whatever. So there's that. So anyway, we've got the Benefit Brow Gel, the Glow Recipe Drop, Watermelon Drops, the mask, the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, the Milk Makeup Blush, which I really like the color, the Tatcha Face Cream, love that, Rare Beauty Highlighter, love that, full size Tarte Maracuja Lip Plump in a great color, so love that, the Clinique Mascara, love that, and Huda Beauty right now is top of my list in brands, so I'm just happy to get that. So I do love lip liners. So anyway, that felt like a good one. So anyway, there's that. But so anyway, there we go. There's that's our first bag. I think I'm going to do these separate, so you'll have to come back and look at the other two I got. I just don't like to make my videos really long. But let me know what you think. Is there any favorite items in there? Would it be worth it to you to get? So sometimes I buy these things and I try them for your benefit too. So like if you see it and think, no, I don't really need that, or you see it and you're like, hey, I want that. Or if you see it and are like, oh, that looks like a really good product, maybe I'll buy that. Anyway, the VIB sale is going on now for a while, so you can maybe pick up some of these items if you want. Or this one, like I said, is at Kohl's. I'm not sure if it's at the other Sephora's, but anyway, this is the Glow Up. So there we go. So thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.